In this video, we are going to continue with the previous one and we will read about the functions of mitochondria. Mitochondria, the most important function, that mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Now, why is it called powerhouse of the cell? Because mitochondria is that organelle which contains those enzymes which are necessary for total oxidation of food, and it helps to release energy. Now, what does this statement means? It means that you have learnt about respiration. Respiration is that process in our body in which energy is released by the food we have eaten, right? So what happens that usually you have learnt that food, whatever we eat, first that food digestion process take place, and after that digestion the digested food reaches to our cells. Now in cell, what happens with that digested food? Its oxidation take place. Oxidation take place means that digested foodstuff in the presence of enzyme react with oxygen. Now this oxygen which we breathe, that oxygen reaches our cell, and this oxygen reacts with the digested food and forms carbon dioxide, water and energy, and this process is called cellular respiration. Students, if you remember, in previous classes also you have learnt about respiration. Respiration is that process which take place in living beings for getting energy from the food we have eaten. So this respiration has two parts. One, external respiration, which is also called breathing, means taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. And second part of respiration is called internal respiration, or it is also called cellular respiration. Why it is called cellular respiration? Because this internal respiration take place inside the cell. Now inside the cell, basically it is mitochondria in which this cellular respiration take place. And because in cellular respiration what is formed? Energy is releasing. So that's why this is called the powerhouse of the cell. Now this cellular respiration take place in mitochondria, and we got to know that energy is released during this oxidation process. Now this energy which is produced by respiration is produced in the form of ATP. Now this is a new term. ATP means, full form is adenosine triphosphate. This is also known as currency of energy, means the energy which is produced and which is stored is produced in the form of ATP, and this ATP is utilized by cell for energy. Means usually if any cell, any living being, they require energy for different mechanical work, and this energy is utilized by the cell in the form of ATP. So these are all the functions of mitochondria, and the most important thing that it is called the powerhouse of the cell. So today we have learnt about three different organelles. First we learnt about vacuoles, then we learnt about ribosomes, and last we learnt about mitochondria. So you can go through it, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Thank you.